Join us on our vacation at the Reef in Atlantis on our one-bedroom ocean suite tour. If you're visiting Atlantis, there's several different hotels to choose from. The most iconic is the Royal, then there's the Coral, the Cove, and the Reef. We chose the Reef because it has residential style suites. As you enter this one-bedroom suite, you come into the kitchen and living area. On the right is a small bathroom. Although it doesn't have a bathtub, it is a full bath, so the kids use this one. Of course, that's not how you have to use it. That's just how we used it while we were there. Our room had essentially a full kitchen. Although we didn't have any plans to cook on our stay, we did take advantage of the large refrigerator. We booked a transfer that included a grocery store stop, so we picked up groceries on our way to the resort, so we had snacks and drinks for us and the kid. The master bedroom is off to the right. There's a large tub and a separate shower. There's a double sink, a separate toilet area, and a large area to store belongings and/or get ready. The balcony expands the entirety of the condo, and there are entrances to it in both the living room and the master bedroom. The living room couch opens up into a bed, and that's where our kids slept. There is a true separation between the living room and the bedroom in this suite. If you haven't been to Atlantis before, as you can see from our balcony, the property is quite expansive. Staying at the Reef can lead to quite a bit of walking. However, one benefit is that there is a wonderful beach and pool here at the Reef, and then additionally, you can actually walk from the Reef all the way over to the Royal almost entirely undercover, which we did find out once in a rainstorm. This is the Cascades pool at the Reef. It is only for guests of the Reef and the Cove, and they do check wristbands while you're there. There is quite a bit of security at Atlantis, so it made it feel nice that there weren't people just running in and out of every location. If you want to book a trip to Atlantis and stay at the Reef or any other of the resorts, please feel free to reach out to us.
Subscribe for our channel.
Also, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe.